everyone. This is Amira Taous. I'm assistant professor of dermatopathology and dermatologist from Egypt. We are here in Dubai for the first Cadaver course powered by MERZ. It really was incredible. It was very informative. They were talking about the full range of Protero and how we could use it correctly and safely to get the best results. The portfolio includes the Radius, which is the only registered and well-known calcium filler, which it has the idea of biostimulation of the new skin and collagen remodeling. We also did the first Cadaver course. We were about 55 doctors doing more than 12 cadavers. It was so interesting to do more than 12 dissection yesterday in the Sharqa universities, and we were focusing on the concept of the anti-aging technique by combining the thiamine, which is of selenium toxins, with the filler, which is HA filler, the Belitero filler, with the Hybride Radius injection to get the best results for the normal and natural anti-aging look. So it was really exciting and so interesting, and thank you.